HTC Evo 3D Earpiece Speaker Replacement Guide. To gain access to the ear speaker, you'll need to disassemble your phone using our HTC Evo 3D Take Apart Repair Guide, which is available at repairsuniverse.com. You'll need to remove the two small Phillips screws holding the earpiece flex cable in place. With the flex cable removed, you have full access to the earpiece speaker. Use a small flathead screwdriver or save open pry tool to pry the speaker out of place. It is usually held in place with a small bit of adhesive. Notice the front of the speaker. This is where the adhesive sits. On the back of the speaker is where the contacts are. They match up to the ones on the flex ribbon cable. To replace the speaker, reapply the adhesive and press it firmly into the housing, and it should pop right into place.